Hello and welcome to this Online College of Coding video tutorial series. In this video, we're getting ourselves familiar with the Scratch interface. Before starting this tutorial, it's recommended you've had a look at our Beginner Programming Concepts video series. Let's get started. When you open up the Scratch program, this is what you'll see, the Scratch interface. At the top of the window is the toolbar, which has menus like File and Edit, as well as tools such as Duplicate and Delete. Next up, we have the stage, where you can see the sprites and the backdrops, and also test out the game. Underneath the stage is the Sprites pane, where you create and edit sprites. The Sprites pane is also where you select each different sprite to edit its costume or script. There are buttons to create sprites from imported pictures or even pictures you've created yourself. Which brings us to the Costume pane, where different sprite costumes are added and edited. Sprites can have multiple costumes and can switch between them to change their appearance or to make an animation. At the top of the costume pane, there is a tab to switch to the scripts area. This is where we give instructions to the sprites and tell them how to behave during the game. The scripting area is like a big canvas. You can drag blocks from the block palette into the script area to create the instructions within the scripts. There are 10 different categories of blocks in the palette, each relating to a specific theme or function. We are going to pay attention to some of these categories more than others. When computers run code, they do it one command after the other. The way Scratch blocks connect together demonstrates this well, which makes converting pseudocode into actual algorithms much simpler, especially for beginners. Well done, you've made it to the end of this tutorial. You're now familiar enough with the Scratch interface to move on to one of our other Scratch courses. You can try making a game.